Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this important and short video lecture, I will share a short video clip of lateral tie for RCC column. So guys, there is some mistakes and I will guide you how to fix this mistake and how we can avoid this mistake during construction of a steel structure, especially for lateral tie and RCC column. So first watch the video, and after the video I will guide you how we can fix this problem. So watch the video now. Okay guys, you watched the video about lateral tie. As you know guys, in the short video clip you saw there that the lateral tie hooks are bent with 90 degree. So guys, this is a big mistake and we should not bend the hooks with 90 degree, but the hooks should be bent with 135 degree. As I told you in many videos that the hook should be bent with 135 degree and the hook's length should be with 90 or 12D, where D is dia of steel bar. And also guys, you saw there in the short video clip about RCC column, about spacing of lateral tie. Guys, remember, as I told you in many videos, that in lapping zone, especially in lapping zone, if that is in top or if that is at the base or at the bottom of the column, that the spacing of the lateral tie should be closely with each other compared to the mid. Okay, but at the mid it should be with maximum space, but at the bottom it should be with minimum spacing compared to the mid spacing of lateral tie. For example, if the spacing of lateral tie at the base or at the bottom of the column, if that is 3 inches, okay, so at the mid it should be 5 to 6 inches. And also at the top it should be 3 inches, but at the mid it should be maximum compared to the lapping zone. So guys, this is a short video clip which I have discussed the front of you, and you should avoid these mistakes. So therefore you should care these things. So if you have any question about this video guys, so you can comment. I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.